I'm with Steve Lampin, who is the Multimedia Technology Manager for Belden. Steve's in Dubai for a brief period. Steve, tell us what you're doing in Dubai.
Well, I'm actually talking about new technologies which are coming, like 4K video, 3G video, which is already around the world, and how to implement these, how to put these in. I'm also talking about things like Ethernet AVB, which is a new kind of Ethernet that broadcasters and audio-video professionals will use, that Ethernet finally has been put into a format that allows broadcasters and those professionals to actually use it, which they've never been able to do before. So, and talking to our distribution partners in the area, training them on our products, because we have many new products. We have 6,000 cable products. Many of them are new, so they have to learn what's happening, where the technology is going.
You mentioned that Belden has about 80% of the world's cable market share.
In the U.S., we have 80% of the U.S. market. Outside of it, we don't have 80%, and that's one reason why I do so much traveling outside of the United States, is because we don't have the same market share that we do in the United States.
Right, and what are some of those new products you have? What would be unique about Belden's cables?
Well, a lot of these we invented, the standards we invented. And when it comes to video cables, for instance, as we move from standard definition to high definition to what's called 3G, it puts more and more emphasis on the cable, on the quality of the cable, the consistency of the cable, and it's much harder to make that kind of cable. And now we're heading for something called 4K, which is going to be even harder still. And so the point is, can we make this kind of cable? This is one of those interesting questions we're talking about. A lot of people have already said no more copper, that we're going to go to fiber only. And we're saying, no, wait a minute. I think copper might still have some life left in it. So that's part of my message, is that we can use some older technologies and still continue into the new technology.
What are some of the new trends in terms of cables?
Well, the interesting thing is the Ethernet AVB cable is twisted pairs. It's Ethernet cable, which a lot of people know about Ethernet. Everybody who works on computers knows what Ethernet is, but it's never been used before for audio and video applications. So it's using this cable, which you would see in a data center or a computer center or a network, for audio and video, which is very, very unusual. And most broadcast engineers have never put this kind of cable in. They don't even know how to install it. So that there's a lot of education that's involved here, that you have to learn how to actually use the cable, how to install it, how to put connectors on it. It's a completely different world for them. They've never been there before.
All right. Thanks, Steve.
Okay.